Hey everyone, it's your girl Cosmic's Wonderland, and if you would like to see how I got this galaxy-inspired gothic 70s flair look, then stay tuned, because here we go. I did a little Google search, and I came up with two different photos, two different ladies. Well, if you know who they are, be like, hey, this girl loved your stuff. So it's this eye makeup that I saw on Google from one girl, and then this beautiful like e-girl galaxy cheek makeup from another girl, and I put them together into one photo editing, hey, get it girl. And this is what I came up with. I'm gonna try and not so much like fully duplicate, but this is going to be like a major inspiration for my look today. I've got these palettes here if I end up using face paint. I also have black and white face paint. I have this glitter. She has pearls on her face. I don't have pearls, but I do have this galaxy glitter I may be willing to put here. And then also I have this highlight here, the purple I plan on using, and my BH Cosmetics Galaxy eyeshadows. Now I have decided to do the purple, so I'm excited. We'll see how this ends up, but again, this is my inspiration for today's makeup look. I have an entire 70s inspired gothic galaxy queen styled outfit of the day. And anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get on with the makeup look. First step is the brows. So I am going to be using these two liquid lipsticks here by Wet n Wild. I have this turquoise-ish blue, a teal, and then I have a hot pink, definitely like neon magenta. So the first step to doing my makeup, what I always do is I start out with a setting spray. This one here is what I normally use. It's what I've been using for months. However, last time I went to Walmart, this was not stocked on the shelf, so I couldn't switch this out and get a new. I am empty, so I ended up having to get a different brand. This is my first time ever using the Hard Candy matte setting spray. I hope that I like it. I'm gonna squirt it a few times just to get it going. There we go. Ooh, it mists really well. So this one is mattifying. Let's see, maybe I'll end up liking this one more. We'll see. I feel like this one was a little cheaper than this too, I think. Don't quote me on that. All right.
Whoa.
It is like in the air. It went on so thick. I have to look in the mirror. I can hear it like bubbling and where it flew in my ear.
What the heck?
This, my normal brand that I use, the Fix It Up by, I think it's Koki, goes on way lighter. This one, I feel like I missed my chin, but I'm afraid to squirt again because I feel like it's really on thick. But I got to set my chin. Gosh, that goes on thick. I don't know. I'm nervous. But anyways, okay. Next step is primer. This is the primer that I use. Love it to death. It has lasted me forever also, which is a plus. So I put this on my brows, my eyelid, my nose, and my chin area right here. So we're gonna do that, and then I'm going to put my brows on.
Here is the liquid lipstick that I will be using for the beginning portion of my brows, along with the type of makeup brush I use to put my brows on. As you can see, we did about 2/3 to a half of our brow. Next is this shade of pink for the remainder portion of our brow. One of the most important things is to focus on your blending, fading the blue into the pink, adding purple in the middle. By combining the two, it just creates a very beautiful blend that eases into each color, and I just love this color combination so much. So don't make it too blunt of a transition, fade it in.
think I'm gonna sneeze. Excuse me. We are now going to work on the eye look, which I showed you previously, but here it is again. This is what we're going for. It is a purple to pink with white little dots for like stars. I'm gonna use this palette here, my BH Galaxy Chic or Galaxy Chic, whatever. And I'm gonna be using this purple here. We're going to be using my BH Cosmetics palette, Take Me Back to Brazil.
This highlight looks pretty white on camera, and it is to the eye, but when you put it on, it has this purple holographic tone to it, and I apologize that my camera doesn't pick up the highlight as well as it actually is in real life, because this highlighting palette is stunning. We are going to put a harsh line in our uppercut crease with the pink, this light baby pink, and right underneath it we're gonna do this brighter neon shade of pink. And don't worry, I know this looks harsh, but it's all going to be blended together. Using the same brush that we applied this shimmery purple eyeshadow with, we're going to blend the two pinks together. Having the purple in our outer lid corner, kind of like a smoky effect, caused this makeup look to be like super cute, so you should do it. I did it. I really liked how it turned out. Kind of darkened and brightened things up, gave it another dimension, and now we're going to go ahead and do my flawless skin routine. You guys have seen me do this before, but here we go. After blending it all in, you are left with a flawless skin that just looks blemish free. And now we're gonna take the white face paint and apply stars to the eyeshadow. These stars are just little dots, and they turned out so cute. Now we're gonna go ahead and put our galaxy on our cheeks and over the bridge of our nose, kind of like an eye mask, but for the cheeks, a little e-girl galaxy blush flare. Super cute. This is how I'm doing it. I took some pink, some purple, and blue eyeshadow, and I just kind of sloppily blended it all together, as you can see, and I just fade it in and blotch it all over. It just comes together like a beautiful sky. Just like we did our eyelids, we're going to take that same white face paint and we're going to draw on and dot on some stars. I wanted to apply glitter to my cheeks, just like how Cotton Candy Bones on Instagram had the pearls. I wanted a little extra shimmer to my face, and I don't have pearls. I thought that this might work, however, the glitter didn't really want to stick. All of the stars in the glitter fell off. I struggle with glitter from time to time, so it just kind of didn't come out how I wanted, but I was able to get some glitter pieces to stick, so it's still cute, I think. Taking my Back to Brazil palette, we're going to take these 2 shades of pink and mix them together as our pink color in our rainbow. And if you're wondering how I did the clouds, I did it just as I did the blue part of my planet. I took the back end of a makeup brush that was round, I dipped it in the white face paint, and I just dotted it on in the shape of a cloud. Super cute! Now is the purple part of the rainbow, and if you haven't guessed it yet, yes, I'm doing the bisexual flag colors. Super cute, they're galaxy related, and I'm bi, so it works, it totally works. So I did my eyeliner, and now we're gonna pop those eyelashes on.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay fantabulous, and as always, I will stay fantabulous for you guys. Bye. Okay.